Hello. So this is what I do for a living. I have a lot of pile of clothes over here, guys. I find in garage sale and I flip on my store online. So for today's video, guys, I want to show all this. I already listing this one, but I just want to show because it's so jackpot. Jackpot, guys. I find this from garage. Oh my god. I'm so I know this one, guys, because it's beautiful. I already left yesterday because I went to garage sale and then I find this beautiful coat. Oh my gosh, can you believe that, guys? It's a beautiful coat and the brand is what? The brand is Laundry. So I have few coat, guys, like this. It's very nice and beautiful. So can you believe that I buy this only for uh $8? Nah, don't tell me you broken. uh no, it's not broken, but it's the what's that? Can you believe this? Can you believe this, guys? It's so beautiful and it's fit for me. Can you believe that? It's beautiful and it's fit for me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? It's just enough and it's fit for me. So beautiful. Can you believe that? Diba? It's like oh, it's like how you call that? It's a fancy. But you need to be a tall woman for this kind of coat. So look at this. Beautiful and tall. Need to be taller, guys. It's just enough for me until here in my ankle. So just enough for me, and even here is just enough everything for me. It's very fancy. Oh, so beautiful, guys. As you can see, it's just fit on me. Everything. Oh, so beautiful. Can you believe that? It's really fit for me. So it's very nice and beautiful. Oh my god, I already left this in my store, so check out my store, guys. It's a good win. Jackpot. So this one I put over here because I put it back. And this one also, I got this from garage sale. Oh my gosh. This is in one house only, guys, that I find this kind of beautiful. This is also $8. It's the same size with the other one. So, oh my god, can you believe that? It's a camouflage. This is the brand MK, Michael Kors brand. This is also a size extra small. So size extra small, guys, is fit for me. Extra small, small, medium, even sometimes large. So sometimes I like a coat like a little bit bigger. So this one is a extra small, so it's just in. Can you believe that? It's just in. So beautiful. And it's belted. How you do so oh, this is not belted, but it's something there. What is this? It's so beautiful. Can you believe that? It's so nice and beautiful. Cute. Mm. This is what I do. This is what I do, guys, in garage sale. I always spending time in garage sale at least uh, at least 6 hours. 6 hours every two days in a week. Because every Thursday, Friday here a lot of garage sale. So you need to be there in Thursday because they start opening it, so you can get a beautiful and nice nice items. Because if we go there like a Saturday already, everybody grab already nice stuff, so you need to be wise. So, and that's it, guys. And then I have pile of clothes over here also that I show, and that's what I do. Always selling clothes. So I sell clothes already since 2018, and now I try to make a video and documentary all my stuff and also what I got from garage sale. That's why I start my YouTube channel to show anybody what I do, and it's fun. The only thing is not fun for me is listing. So I need to have a power to do listing, guys. So if you want to be a if you want to be a aray ko. If you want to be a seller, you need to be passionate about it, and you need to have energy to listing it, because you can just buy and buy and buy, and then you have a pile of clothes. Because that's what I do before, and I like buying clothes. I like buying clothes, but I have I am busy all the time, so sometimes I don't have time because uh, I don't have time to post or listing. But in this business, you need, if you want to be serious, you need to have a routine to have a um, listing every day. Yes, that's the key to success, is listing every day. Not only buying it and everything is there. You need to buy and list right away. But before, every summer, what I do is uh, always buying a clothing in garage sale on that summertime, and how I have a pile of clothes that I need to list in winter, during winter time, because every day I need to list, so I need to have a stock of clothing, so I don't need to sourcing every week. So I have pile of clothes that I list. So during winter time, that's what I do. I always listing at least five 5 items, 20 items, 10 items. So it's depend every day, guys, what I have time, what time I have. So that's what I have time for listing. So sometimes I list 5 items, sometimes I list 20 items. But it's hard for me to list 20 items a day. It's hard. So, but if you're a seller, guys, you need to be consistent, okay? So that's what I want. So, and here you go. I have more jacket to show. So this is a Radiance. I'm not sure about this brand, guys. It's a Radiance Free Country. So 3-in-1 jacket. I think this is beautiful jacket. Look at that. 3-in-1. And it's only $1, guys. I buy this for only $1. I can fit this one. It's so small. Yeah, I buy this only for $1. It's very beautiful. Free Country. And it's brand new. Smell like brand new. Never used. And they sell it for $1. Can you believe that? And it's 3-in-1. It's good for winter, guys. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. It's good for winter. Can you believe that? A lot of stuff here, guys, that I need to list. I have a lot of things over here that I need to list. So, and even I buy this for $1. Can you believe that? This is a woman's. The brand is Arctics. Woman's babe winter pants. Overall, oh, can you believe that? It's $1 and it's like a brand new. It's never used. As you can see, very excellent condition, and it's never used. And see, you can see if it's used because you can see over here, but there's no any sign of wear. So this is like a brand new, excellent condition. So it's a win, guys. This one, if you buy this in brand new, it costs a lot of money. It's like $60 for this kind of thing. You can't even buy this one for $20 during winter time. So this one is a win-win for me. So I buy this for $1. Can you believe that? It's $1 only. So I have a story about yesterday. I went to garage sale. This is a two houses. One houses first. They do a lot of clothes, and I asked how much in this area or how much this one, and then they said only $1 each. Everything what you can see over there, you can grab it for only $1. So that's why I said, what, for this kind of babe uh overall winter pants, guys, for $1, it's a win for me because, oh my gosh, you can buy that in garage sale $20. Sometimes they sell it for $35, $20, or even more if they know it's worth it. But because on that house they do fundraising, something like that, so everything need to be gone just for $1. So I buy a few items over there that it's worth it of money. So because over here we don't have a Goodwill that I can find in Goodwill over here, like a pounds when you buy it. So I do a garage sale over here because over here a lot of garage sale everywhere. So yesterday, guys, a lot of garage sale over here all over. You will be overwhelming too much garage sale here. A lot of houses over here, a lot of garage sale. So you need to pick which one is more better, and that's why I have lots of items that I pick that it's worth it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.